When I took a trip to the Bolivian highlands, I met an indigenous old woman who taught me the secret of cleansing with an egg. In addition to teaching me how to perform the cleaning ritual, she also instructed me on how to interpret its results. Today, I'll share this knowledge with you. It's quite simple, requiring only a few items. An egg, a little water in a transparent glass, and a pinch of salt. We'll start with an energy cleanse. After performing this ritual, you'll observe how the egg appears, revealing the presence of negative energy around you or within yourself. This can indicate whether you're affected by malevolent forces or if you're maintaining negative energies. If you suspect you're bewitched or wish to cure yourself, follow along. Firstly, perform the cleanse by passing the egg over your body, starting from the top and moving downwards to your feet, ensuring both vertical and horizontal passes. Do this with intention, feeling the egg absorbing negativity. It's essential to perform this ritual while completely naked in a space where you feel comfortable, such as a bathroom or bedroom. Close your eyes as you move the egg in circular motions, envisioning a connection with universal energy. Once completed, affirm, "I am light, a completely protected and prosperous being," releasing yourself from negativity. Next, add a pinch of salt to a glass of natural water. Break the egg into the water, observing its behavior closely. Bubbles surfacing indicate the presence of negative energy dissipating. If you see an image resembling a person or animal, pay attention as it may signify envy directed towards you. Peaks or needles forming suggest energy blocks caused by envy, indicating the need to be cautious of those around you. If the yolk's covering becomes cloudy or obscured, it suggests a malevolent act has been performed against you. In such cases, prepare a cleansing solution by filling a glass jar with alcohol and adding rue, letting it macerate for 24 hours. Apply this mixture to specific areas of your body every morning, accompanied by the affirmation, "I am light, a completely protected and prosperous being," to break free from negative energies. By elevating your emotions and remaining in the light, you can cultivate a powerful shield against the destructive forces of envy and jealousy that often pervade our lives. When we choose to dwell in positivity and radiate love and compassion, we create an energetic barrier that repels negativity and shields us from harm. It's a profound acknowledgement of our inner strength and resilience, acknowledging that our inner light is our greatest defense against the darkness that seeks to dim it. Expressing gratitude through the affirmation, "I am light, a completely protected and prosperous being," serves as a powerful declaration of self-awareness and empowerment. It's a recognition of our inherent worth and divinity, affirming that we are deserving of protection and abundance in all aspects of our lives. By speaking these words with sincerity and conviction, we reinforce our connection to the universal energies that surround us, drawing upon their infinite wisdom and guidance. Moreover, by vocalizing this affirmation, we invite positivity and abundance to flow into our lives, manifesting our deepest desires and aspirations. It's a potent reminder that we are co-creators of our reality, capable of shaping our destinies through the power of our thoughts and intentions. As we embrace this truth, we align ourselves with the boundless possibilities that await us, stepping into our full potential as luminous beings of light. In essence, by expressing gratitude and affirming our innate divinity, we reclaim our power and sovereignty, transcending the limitations of fear and doubt. We become beacons of hope and inspiration, illuminating the path for others to follow as they embark on their own journey of self-discovery and transformation. So, Let us embrace the light within and shine brightly for all the world to see, knowing that we are eternally protected and prosperous in the embrace of universal love. Thank you for your support, and may you experience all the best in life. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.